Hello guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna walk through secret settings that you should try in Android. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you about two settings that you should try in Android. The first one is split screen. By this feature, you can use two apps at the same time. Just click on an app like this. Now just go here and long press on an app. And here you can see there are three icons here. Click the middle icon. It is called split screen. Now click on the other app. And here you can see by this you can use both the apps at the same time. If you want to exit it, just drag down from here and you can exit it like this. Now the second trick is to use dual apps. By this feature you can use two accounts at the same time in the same app. So for that, go to settings and in the top search bar search for dual apps. Now click on the very first icon here. And here you can see for all the apps you can make it dual apps. Just click on an app like WhatsApp and click on dual apps here. Click on turn on. Now just go back. Now here you can see there are two WhatsApp here. You can use two WhatsApp for different accounts in the same mobile. So guys, that's the secret trick. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.